Okay. Houston, I think we have a problem. Okay, my lighting, it just came on. My lighting in the ceiling, I think I'm gonna have to get a new light because I turn it on and it takes like 5 minutes to get warmed up. So if my lighting looks funny, you guys, I apologize. And I just filmed my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. So I thought I would come up here and do a quick video because I've got to have everything uploaded because Keith and I are going on a little getaway this weekend to Helen, Georgia. It's like a little German town. And so we're gonna go and I'm gonna vlog, but I need to get my videos filmed and uploaded, and yeah, I have a little mini haul. And you guys, I look like a hot mess, but okay. But I'm sure you don't mind, right? Okay, so I still haven't put my my binder back on. So when I get finished filming, I'm gonna put it back on. I'm gonna put it back on for the evening. So anyway, do you guys see my necklace? Is this not gorgeous? Look at this. It's got the 2 interlocking C's, and one side is silver, one side is gold. Okay, you guys, you have no idea, and I'm not saying I won't, but right now I'm happy with this. So you have no idea how much I have wanted the Christian Dior choker, and it looks very similar to this, but I found this at a fraction of the price. And you guys know my little series, buy this, don't buy that, buy this, not that. Well, I would say if you are looking at the Dior choker, I mean, there's like so many different styles. I'm talking about the CD choker. I would say go for this. So I'm going to link it. I hope it's still available. I love it so much, you guys. It has really fulfilled that desire for me. I love a good choker, and I love that it's two-toned. Okay, remember I told you guys I ordered the bracelet? Well, here it is. Okay, so I opened up the box, but I haven't unboxed it. So here's the paperwork, and here it is. Now, I don't know why they put it in here like this, but here it is in a plastic baggie, and it's on top of the Coach bag. That's kind of weird, but it's from Nordstrom. So you know how it is when you order things from a department store, even if you order like Gucci or whatever, they don't really package it up in an acceptable way. So here's my return stuff, but whatever. I'm going to tell you the price on it. Okay, I don't even know. Okay, so this is the way it came. In this baggie outside of the box. At least they gave me a box, right? Well, there's something in there, probably just Coach. Oh, a silica gel packet. Here's the bracelet. And it comes with this little, if you guys are ever wondering, and I had someone ask me what this was. They put this in silver jewelry and to keep it from tarnishing. I don't know what it's called, but that's what it is. So here's the bracelet, you guys. I had to have it. There's another bracelet that I really want. I don't know if I'll get it, but anyway, this really has fulfilled my desire for the Christian Dior. So I thought it was a little chunkier, but it's about the same as the necklace. But I just thought this was such a pretty piece to go with bangles. And I love to mix my metals, you guys know that. And so $95 for this bracelet. That's pretty cheap. I love it. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love it. It has the interlocking C's and the gold and the silver. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Really happy with this set. So I will link it. I highly recommend that you get it, especially if you're looking at the Christian Dior stuff, because this is fabulous. Beautiful. Okay, so I have another little thing that I got. You guys, I'm super excited about this because it's so rad. It's so cool. I was thinking when I go to the beach, I'm going to be at the beach for almost 2 weeks. So at the end of the month, through the 4th, and I'll come back like the next weekend. Well, I just wanted something. I wanted a bag that I didn't have to worry about, that would be easy. And I have things I could have used, but I wanted something new for my vacation. And you guys know how I love to shop on Walmart.com. Check this out. How boho cool and rad is this? Does this not look like one of those planters that your grandmother would have had hanging up? I just thought it was so cool, you guys. It was like 24 bucks, I think. 24 bucks. So I just think it would be so cute. Let me tilt down the, okay, look how cute. I mean, it's just so cute with little sundresses. Don't look at what I'm wearing. Okay. So I just thought this would be so cute at the beach. Just a cute little summertime bag, $24. I don't have to worry about it. And there's just certain times that I just don't want to carry a really expensive bag. I don't want to have to worry about it. And this is perfect for summer. And so you just open it up. It's like a little hobo bag stuffed with this paper. You can get a lot of stuff in this bag. I just think this is a perfect little beach bag. I actually have a bag really similar to this that Keith bought me like 16 years ago, but this is cute. And what I really liked about it was the beads and just, I don't know, it's just really boho. So I love it. So I'm gonna be taking this with me to the beach. So cute with the fringe. So that is my fun Walmart find, and it's by the brand Scoop. And if it's still available, I will link it. And there was a really cute black one that I had my eye on that I really liked. So, okay, you guys, it feels so good not to have to hide my arms. Look, I just hold up the bag and show it to you. Like used to, everybody would say, I didn't ever notice your arms. That's because I would have done this. I'm no dummy, right? But now I'm just like, oh, I love it. But I do have this tape that the doctor put on my arms. I'm still bruised. But anyway, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. So I think this is a great little find for summer. Like when we go to like art festivals and things like that. Perfect. All right. Okay, I was talking and I thought I had the record button on. So I just want to show you my bag that I'm carrying. It is my Coach Rambler. Oh yeah, love it, love it. You guys, it's not a big bag, but it carries what you need. And I just love the fact that the straps are adjustable. It has a back pocket, and I think I'm going to take my things out of it. And in the morning, I'm going to treat it with the Apple Guard, because I always treat my light colored bags with Apple Guard. I've never had a problem with it. And so I'm definitely going to treat it. I wouldn't want anything to happen to this bag. It is definitely, it's a beauty, and I absolutely love it. So this is the bag that I'm carrying. All right, you guys. Every spring, I get the itch for a new pair of sunglasses. And I don't have a really large collection of sunglasses because a lot of times I give sunglasses to my daughter. But it's that time, you guys. And this is a true unboxing. I just opened this. So I actually ordered this pair from Bloomingdale's and they were on sale. I got them for $255 with tax. I'm not sure what the regular price is, but it was a pretty good sale. Okay, so let's take this out. I am so excited to try these on. So it just came like this. And, oh my gosh, I have wanted these forever, since since last year, really. And like I said, I usually buy 1 or 2 pair of sunglasses a year. I think last year I got some, but they were diff. I didn't get anything, you know, super expensive, but this is a pair, and they're not super expensive, like I said, especially because I got such a good deal on them. But they are Fendi, and I can't wait to try these on. Okay, so open them up. Here's the cleaning cloth. Here they are. Exciting, you guys. I love sunglasses. I don't really know why I don't buy more. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. Okay. All right, let me get them out of the plastic. Let me put them on. Are you ready for this? Are y'all ready for this? Bam. Bam. Bam, baby. Oh, hello. Don't mind me and my gorgeous new Fendis. I love them. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love these. Let me tell you what I love about them. Besides everything, I love that there's F's all over them. On the side, you've got the logo. I love that they're dark. They're a bit of a cat eye. Very glam. And I love the fact that there is not a nose piece. That is something from now on that I'm really gonna look at, because I have a pair of Louis Vuitton sunglasses that I got in Mykonos. I love them, but I already had to send them in and have them repaired. And anytime you have sunglasses with a nose piece, it's really hard to do this. And I go around with my sunglasses on my head all the time, bam. And, oh, I told you guys I got a good deal, so let me tell you. Okay, so $255.96 is what I paid plus tax. So here's the tag. And I paid $395. No, I didn't. Okay, no, I didn't pay $395. They are $395 retail. So $256. So I got a really good deal. And I've looked at these. I looked at them last year. They come in black and they come in this kind of tortoise color, and I just really like this. So yeah, you guys, I'm ready for the beach. Whoop, whoop. I'm ready for the beach. Love them. Love them. So that's my awesome sunglasses. Aren't they gorgeous? Yeah, they're kind of black and brown, and that's another thing that I really liked about these. And you can definitely, you guys, I'm all about a logo. I won't lie. I'm all about a logo, especially when it comes to sunglasses. I love designer sunglasses, especially when you get a deal like I got on these. So I will list them. If I ever say that I'm going to list something in the description box and it's not there, it's because I can't find it, or it's sold out, or discontinued, or whatever. So I just wanted to say that because I get a lot of questions like, it's not in the description box, and that will be the reason why. And I try to find things similar for you guys, but yeah, I list all the things that I can find and put in the description box for you guys. And yeah, so this weekend, that's my little haul. But yeah, this weekend I'm going to film a vlog. I'm going to take you guys to Helen, Georgia. It's a little German town. There is somewhere nearby, there's supposed to be like this Cabbage Patch hospital where the Cabbage Patch babies are born, and my husband was like, no. He said, I'm not going there. So maybe at some time I'll take the granddaughters and my daughter-in-law and her mom. Maybe we'll do that sometime. But we're going to do a little bit of hiking. I'm not really a hiker, but anyway, we're going to do that. And I hope they have something other than German food. You guys, I've been to Germany twice. It's a beautiful country. Love Germany, but the food, it's too much meat for me. Meat and cheese, meat and cheese. But we're gonna have a good time. Okay, you guys, so you know how there are some videos going around Gwynnie She did it, and my new friend Devin Christopher, hi Devin, and hi Kevin, they did it, and it's my husband rates my handbags. So I told Keith, I said, this is going around and you're gonna have to participate. And he said he would. So I'm super excited. So we get back from our trip, Keith is going to be my guest star, and he's going to rate my handbag collection. He's also going to say the names of the bags, where we got them, because we kind of, a lot of times I get bags when we travel and we'll name them, like my Vegas bag, my New York City bag, my Soho bag, things like that. And so yeah, he's gonna participate, and he's going to be in a video. So that will be coming up next week. And I'm supposed to have a collaboration with Autumn Beckman. The awesome Autumn Beckman. Now, you guys, I do think she's awesome. She is my friend, but she's gonna be so jealous of my new BAM glasses. She's gonna be jealous of these. Oh yeah. I'm super excited about the upcoming video. And if you guys haven't watched Devin Christopher, go watch him, because he is hilarious. The last video that he put out, I laughed until I was hurting. I mean, I laughed so much. So you got to check Devin out. So I think that I've been thinking about, I mean, not that I'm a big YouTuber, I'm like 4,100. I just think it's really important to support our fellow YouTubers. We should be happy for each other. We should support each other, uplift each other, and, you know, promote each other. So Autumn Beckman is about to hit 20K, you guys. I'm thrilled for her. It's gonna be amazing. I can't wait to see her 20K subscriber video. And my new friend Devin Christopher, let's get him up to 500 subscribers, and then on up to 1,000. So yeah, we just need to support each other. And yeah, that's all I have to say about that. Support each other, be happy for each other. And this is a wonderful community to be a part of. I love it. I've loved every minute of it. And again, thank you all. To all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers, you guys are my friends. You're always here for me every week. Thank you all so much, and I will see you again in a couple of days. Bye-bye.